Good morning, everybody, and this is your Bitcoin day trade setup for today. So, as I mentioned on Friday, I've scaled in my first lots of buying. I basically came in on the Friday bar, which is this bar here. So, at the moment we're in profit, but we did move quite far down over the weekend. We're down in the 33,500 area over the weekend, so pretty big recovery from there to where we are now. That's 13% up at the moment. So one thing, that is the trend line that I'm looking to break, and it has broken, so I wouldn't be too surprised to see it come back down. Just going to offer some more value, another opportunity to buy into this, and there is a tail here. There's a daily breakout that has been broken, and so that retest could very well happen as well. So if we look at the 4 hour, not much structure. Moving averages also not quite crossed over just yet, so I won't say that the trend has changed completely right now, but we do have a fairly decent inverse head and shoulders here. So here's your shoulder, here's your head, and here's your other shoulder. So the neckline's obviously going to be, let's use this level here, is going to be the break of this area right here, which is 39,580. So break, retest that. I'm looking for the next opportunity to add to my buying. So remember, this is not CFD trading that I use Bitcoins for. It's really just my normal portfolio. So I can spend a lot of time on this and wait for it. So it doesn't really worry me. What I am looking for is structure and then add into it. So at the moment, looking good. I think I do really believe that this thing is going to swing around, and if you look at the daily, we are sort of moving averages crossed over and underneath the 155. So once we recover the 155 and bounce, we're still going to bounce around sideways. If you look at the moving averages, they're quite far apart, but my oscillators are not grouped to the downside, but they have crossed fairly wide apart, and that's always something that I need to pay attention to. So when they get back to the upside, then we will start worrying about whether we need to sell off, and then we buy in again when it pulls back again. So pretty straightforward for me on Bitcoin, but that is looking for opportunities to the upside. I think these two levels are the key ones. So I've just switched to the hour, and you can see a bit of confusion at the moment, but we've just got Asia open right now. So 39,600 is the area we need to break and hold. If we can break and hold it, then we start looking for new opportunities to buy. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps you somewhat. Hope you managed to buy in as well when I bought in. Let's see if we can get back up to that 65,000 area, which is kind of the area that I'm waiting for. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.